Good evening. I'm Blake Conant with BAC Insurance, and we're going to be presenting the Retirement Hurricane Seminar tonight. We want to thank everyone for coming, and let's go ahead and get started because this is going to last until 10 p.m. Okay, just kidding. Actually, it's going to last 1 hour, so we asked the restaurant to have the food ready and right at the door at 7 p.m. We're going to start on time, and we're going to end on time, and because of that, we ask that you please hold your questions until the end. On the last page of everyone's workbook, you should have a notes section to write down any questions you have as we go through the presentation, okay? Now, a couple housekeeping items. If you don't mind, please shut off your cell phones. And while you're doing that, if you have to use the restroom, it's actually out the door and to the left, okay? Did everyone receive a seminar folder, a response sheet, a checklist, and a pen? If not, please let us know and we'll go ahead and come around and pass those out, okay? And while you're doing that, please pull out your response sheet and fill out the top section. Don't forget to put your full name at the top. And in case you're wondering why, we need to be able to prove that we actually paid for this many meals. It's actually your meal ticket. So if you don't turn in the sheet, you get to watch your neighbor eat. Okay, I'm gonna wait for everyone to finish. Now, let's quickly do a quiz. Toward the top of everyone's response sheet, you should see 5 yes and no's listed. As we go through each question, just check yes and no, and then we'll total them up at the end, okay? Here we go. Are you retired? Are you currently taking Social Security? Do you feel that you have too much of your money at risk? Do you have a 401k or retirement account left at a previous employer? And finally, are you concerned that your income may not last as long as you do? Everyone, please total up all your yes and no's. Did anyone answer all 5 yeses? 4? As we go through the presentation tonight, you're going to see how these questions are related. So, tonight you're going to experience a 60-minute presentation, a good meal, and some ideas to help you navigate retirement and prepare yourself. Now, I'd like to introduce your presenter. He's extremely knowledgeable with over 20 years experience in the financial services industry. Not only that, he's a really nice guy. It's my pleasure to introduce John Ramaka. John?